There are so many demands on today's data center, an increase in devices and applications, servers and storage becoming virtualized, cloud computing creating dynamic resource pools. And yet data centers can't keep up because something keeps getting in the way: the network itself. That's because it was never designed to handle exponential demand. In a legacy network architecture, applications behave differently depending on where data is located and where it needs to flow. If it sits in one place in the data center, it's fast. If it sits in another, it's slow. Secondly, the network is too complex. The current solution of adding more devices in order to scale just ends up making it exponentially more complex. What you need to do is simplify it. Introducing QFabric, a technology that flattens and simplifies the network by allowing multiple devices to act as one. It provides the scale and resiliency of a network and the performance and simplicity of a single switch. QFabric is the first and only fabric to provide any-to-any connection across the entire data center without adding complexity. All ports are directly connected to every other port, and they're managed from a single point, giving you unprecedented control. With QFabric, you get true data equality. An incoming packet is processed at the point of entry and sent directly to its final destination non-stop. Regardless of where data needs to go, it's always one hop away. It's the exponential data center ready to meet exponential demand. What does that mean for you? Better application performance. Send packets across the entire data center in under 5 microseconds. Increased business agility. Being able to scale without adding complexity allows you to rapidly respond to changing business demands. And improved economics. Fewer devices use less power and space. With less to buy, operate, and manage, you dramatically lower costs. Plus, it all runs on Junos, the high-performance operating system designed to help you simplify your operations. One logical switch, one fabric. The exponential data center is here.